Today, in Marine Engineering 101, let's continue our session about overhaul job of our Samgong Mitsubishi Purifier. This is part 2 of the series of purifier maintenance video available on our YouTube and Facebook page. This video details the cleaning process of the purifier parts and replacement of O-rings. Safety warning: the cleaning of purifier plates and other parts requires the use of chemical cleaning agents. Proper handling of chemicals is a requirement for the job. The use of chemically suitable hand gloves, face shield for anti-splash hazards and mask is required. Also, use non-abrasive materials on removing hardened residues to avoid creating scratches on plate surfaces. After cleaning with chemicals, wipe with clean cloth and check for dents and deformities on grooves and keyways. Bowl discs that are deformed should be replaced with new spare. Next up would be the replacement of O-rings and main seal ring. Refer to your maker's manual for the exploded view of the purifier parts. Identify which O-ring numbers and position shall be replaced. The main seal ring is a vital part of the bowl assembly. There is a requirement on the depth of dent for the main seal ring to be qualified for replacement. In this unit, when the value of I as described on the photo exceeds 0.5 mm, and the width of B exceeds 60%, the main seal ring shall be replaced. Up next, install bowl discs into the distributor following the keyway grooves. Check positions of the 3 upper discs that differ in size from the rest. Also, recondition the pilot valves and replace O-rings. Apply silicone gel or lubricant as required by maker prior installing new O-rings. It is important not to bend or dent the O-rings to avoid leakages when in operation. A quick Marine Engineer 101 explainer. Take note that the impeller 1 for this unit is the pump for your cleaned or purified liquid, and impeller 2 is where your heavy unpurified liquid passes through. All of these data are posted on the maker's manual for guide and references. Next, remove water supply device and clean parts as needed. O-rings shall be replaced as well prior reassembly. After cleaning all parts, shiny and bright, O-rings replaced and all shall be ready for assembly. Assembly procedures are available on your maker's manual. Do take the time to read and familiarize the process before attempting to assemble the bowl parts. If you learned something from this video, help us grow by sharing, following and commenting on our Facebook page Marine Engineering 101 Plus and our Marine Engineering 101 YouTube channel. Follow this series for the assembly procedure of our Samgong Mitsubishi Purifier. Until next time, follow for more.